Remember, keep the arms down. And let the body really swing into the step. That's what's called swing. On the triple, to the left and straight. Open break. And then coming close. Open break. And then coming close. Now the underarm turn and up, up, and back to the swing. And again. Now the turn where we change places. And then back to close. And now the tuck in. And spin.
Oh,
Okay, well we got to do it one time.